this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I want to show you how to install the SmartWings Roller Blinds. These are automated blinds that can go up and down when you set them on a routine through your smart home app. I'm going to show you how to install the interior mount version today. I also have a separate video showing you how to install the exterior mount. Exterior mount just means that you're installing it on the trim or above the trim on the actual wall. In this case, we have windows here that we can install interior. It's way easier to do the interior mount than it is to do the exterior mount. Did not prefer that method. It just takes a few extra minutes. It's not a big deal, but you know, time is time. This is something that is easy to install. It's easy to set up, as long as you have some knowledge of computers and technology. I'm hoping it'll save on some energy use. They're easy to charge. They have a really long charging cord, so you can just plug them into your outlet, charge them. The charging is infrequent, as long as you're not booping them up and down all day, every day. You don't really need a whole lot to install these. These brackets come off, you just push them in this direction. So they pop off. The charging area is right here. You can decide if you want it on the left or the right. It comes automatically on the left for free. We have a charging cord. We have some screws and a bracket to hang the remote. This was very simple. We already hung one, and after hanging one and how easy it was, we decided we're going to get more of these. We only ordered 3 for this first time, just to see if we like them before we spend a lot of money. But we're pretty happy with how easy these are. Planning to also connect it to Wi-Fi. We want it to open and close at a certain time on its own, so we don't have to constantly be doing the labor of opening and closing blinds. Okay, the first thing you do is make sure your brackets are on, and you're going to raise it up to where you want them placed. In this case, we're doing an inside mount on the top, and we just mark where each of these brackets are, then remove them and screw them in. Okay, so we just went ahead and marked spots for where this is going to line up. Now the 3 brackets slide inside on your blind. So we install these, just the bracket first. Okay, so that's the first one. And the other 2 are just going up in the middle and then a little ways out from the right side. Okay, we've got 1, 2, and 3. And now we can just snap the piece on. There we go. If you have any desire to move it a little bit left or right, you can slide them right in here. That's why it's nice to have these mounted here versus all the way at the end, because you have some flexibility to shift them if needed, just to make them look more centered. Okay, so the first time you use this, you actually need to press this. You'll feel it move when you press that button to hold, and then it will work with your remote. So as you can see, these 2 are in the same room, and this remote will actually control both of them, which is really nice. So they open at the same time and close at the same time, so you're not using multiple remotes. Okay, so when you need to charge there is a charging port on the left side, unless you ask to have it put on the right side. We have an outlet within reach, which is awesome. I think given the length of this, you should too, but we can go like this or like this. And then just grab one of these guys that has the USB charging option and do one of these. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you use my link if you purchase these. I do get a small commission off it if anyone purchases using my link. It shouldn't impact your price at all. And it just helps support the channel. So I appreciate your help. Thank you so much. And I hope you love these as much as I do. Again, it might not be something that you can just splurge on the whole house, but being able to get a few at a time makes sense, and hopefully these will last for a long time for us. So have a great day. Take care.